Welcome! Pick something you like. Sausage skewers, sliced shrimp skewers, beef skewers.
The other barbecues are also delicious. Would you like to try?
Okay. Turn on the switch and get ready to grill. Oil. Oil. Let's add seasonings. Honey. Barbecue sauce. Cumin. Pepper. Honey. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Cumin. Pepper. The grilling is done. Turn off the heat. Pick a plate you like. Pick a plate you like. It's time to serve the guests. Please try it. How does it taste?
Thank you. The barbecue is delicious.
The new ingredients are here. Check them out.